Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to push the code in the Docker Hub. So as you can see here that in the previous video I wrote this code. So what I will do now, I will create a Docker file for it, and inside this Docker file, first of all write Docker file, and now what I will do, I will write a script, and the first thing that I'm going to write is to write from Golang, that would be latest. All right, and after that the next thing I'm going to write is the what you can say workdir app, and after that let's write copy is going to be what you can say go.mode and go.sum. So what this does, it will take the Golang latest image, and after that it will create a working directory inside the Docker, and after that it will copy all these credentials that are present in this go.mode file and go.sum file, like the go.mode file and go.sum file. These are the dependencies that are present inside the file, so they will basically copy them, and after that let's write run. What I will do, I will write go download go mode download, and it will download those dependencies into the Docker, and after that let's write copy dot. So it will take all the data from here main.go file, and it will paste it inside this working directory. All right, so let's write run again, and this run is going to be go build o main, and now this time it will create a build file of the main, and it will run it, and the next thing is going to be expose port 8080. So it will expose that port, and after that let's write the cmd, so it will run this build file, that is the binary file that is created. It will run this. All right, it will execute it. So let's write main. All right, so this is how it will work. Yeah, so I forgot the label here. You can give the label if you want to, but I'm giving it. So maintainer is going to be like Bilal Khan. All right, so this is the label that you can give, and the email address. So yeah, as you can see here that this label, this is the maintainer, and this is the working directory that will be created inside the Docker. These are the files or the dependencies that will be copied, and they will be downloaded. Once they are downloaded, the data that is present inside this file main.go file will be copied, and they will be copied inside the Docker, and after that it will create a binary file of the main.go file. And once this binary file is created, it will expose that into the port 8080, and it will run this binary file, all right, in the Docker Hub. So when I will pull this, first of all I will push this, and if somebody wants to pull the data, that data will be pulled, and after that the data can be exposed by using this port 8080. So let's save this and open the terminal. After opening the terminal, let's write docker build t. This is a tag, so I will give the tag AutoDep, and first of all yeah, so I need to write the dot here also, because the data let me just check what kind of error it is. Dot t invalid reference repository must be lowercase. All right, so I need to write the lowercase AutoDep. So let's write like this, dep like this, auto. Now this will work fine. All right, so after that, after building it, let's write run docker run p 8080 for the port name. All right, port 8080, and after that d for the detached mode, that will be AutoDep. So it will run it. So now as you can see here that I didn't run go run main.go, but let's say if I open the browser and let's write localhost 8080, it will still run this data for me in the browser. As you can see here that the go run main.go file is not executed, but this data is present in the Docker, so that's why it is executed, because I have run it. Now what I will do, I will write docker login, because I need to log in order to push the data, this data, into the Docker Hub. So as you can see here that the login is succeeded. Now I can push the data. So what I will do, I will write, first of all, give the tag name. So the tag name is going to be AutoDep, and give the docker, this is the username, iBilalK, and AutoDep is the what you can say, the the repository name that I'm going to give it. So this is the tag, and this is the username, and inside this username of the Bilal ID, this image will be transferred. All right, AutoDep, by the name of AutoDep. So let's press enter on this. Now let's write docker push push iBilalK, this is my account username, and then AutoDep. Now this data is going to be pushed, and after pushing this data, if I go to the repositories, as you can see here, that currently there is no repository, but if I refresh this after that, it will work for me, but currently I need to wait for this some time. So now you can see that the data is successfully pushed and mounted. So let's clear this, and after that let's refresh this page. So yep, it will take some time. So now you can see that the AutoDep is now pushed a few seconds ago. If I open this, you will see that this is the Docker image that I have pushed, and after that, if you want to pull it, you can also pull it. This is the Docker push command, and if you want to read it further, you can read it here, and these are the tags. Let's open them. So yeah, this is the tag that I have used, and this is the command that you can pull from. All right, so build, collaborators, webhooks, and settings if you want to take a look at them, right? So yeah, this is how it will work. So let's go to the repositories again. So yeah, so now the next thing that I'm going to do is to write git add, git commit, pushed the what you can say, code into the Docker Hub. Git push origin main. So let's push this. After that, let's go to the repositories. Let's refresh this. 5 commits, pushed the code into the Docker Hub. Yeah, so it is maybe running some checks, so no problem. So yeah, this is how it will work. So I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.